Hi everyone, in this video, I will show you how to download video from Twitter 2023. First, sign in to Twitter on your device. Then, tap on the search icon on the bottom navigation bar. Here, tap on any video from the feed. You can see a download button, click on it. From the options that appear, select Copy Link. Now open the web browser. Here you have to search for Twitter Video Downloader online. From the search results, select any web page. Now in the URL section, paste the copied link. After this, tap on Download. Here, you will get various downloading options. From the pop-up that shows up, select Download. You can also view the downloaded video from the Downloads section. And that's it. If you guys got some value, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Until next time, goodbye.